Aaron here from Goddard Garage and Goddard Adventure. Today in our product spotlight, we're going to show off a Bunker Industry hitch mounted recovery point. If you don't already have a rear recovery point in your kit, I highly recommend this product. Come take a look at what we have. This kit consists of two pieces, an anodized aluminum hitch receiver, so that's going to be rust free and lightweight, and also a 1/2 inch soft shackle. The soft shackle is rated at 38,000 pounds and the hitch receiver is rated at 22,000 pounds. So a really nice high working limit. The best part about this kit is that it's lighter than steel and also has less moving pieces because we don't have any 3/4 ton shackles in there. And all together, that makes for a lighter and safer recovery kit. So as you can see, this hitch receiver has a really cool shape. It's designed to be safe for soft shackles. In fact, it's only made for soft shackles, but that's pretty much the safety standard these days. It has room for two orientations, horizontal and vertical, and it has two different depth points there. So we're gonna put it in, and we're gonna put it all the way in so that we reduce our clearance angles. The pin here is supplied with the kit as well. Ugh, a little slippery there. All right, and as you can see, it's got a really nice wide opening here that's going to be compatible with a lot of different soft shackles. You can see how easy it is to fit it in there. This recovery point is going to be awesome for any kind of strap, a kinetic strap, and it's going to be good for attaching a winch to the back if you need to get pulled backwards or if you need to recover someone. So there you can see the Bunker Industries soft shackle kit is a great way to add a rear recovery point to your rig. We're going to have a link to our Amazon affiliate store down below with this product. Be sure to check it out. Let me know what recovery gear you have and what you think the most important kit is. We'll catch you guys on the next adventure.